Hello everyone, welcome to your Salesforce guide. So today we will learn how to create object in Salesforce. So in order to create object in Salesforce, just we will revise what we have done in the previous lecture, that is creating app, and then we will create object. So we will perform object creation on recruiting app. So let's create, so we have to create app here. Okay, we already have this. So just click on new lighting app. You can write name of your app, recruiting app. It is an app that helps to hire candidates. Click on next. Okay, so this name is already existing, so you can click on this. Just add on utility items. You can select list view and whatever you want. So report chart also you can click. Click on next. So from here you have to select what are the standard tabs that you would like to have in your recruiting app. So I am selecting dashboard for my app. Apart from this, I would like to select reports. Click on next. So from here you have to select profile. So I'm selecting my profile as I am a system admin. So modifications will be required in this app. So let's select this and click on the arrow, save and finish. So we are done with our recruiting app. Now we need to create object. Click on object manager. Now here is a create button. So you have to just click custom object and we will create our new object, that is positions. I think this object is already existing, so we can take position. You can take position like this. Otherwise you can take label as position only, but you have to take object name different. Positions. Object name you have to take unique, so I would change this as already a position object is there and I select it like this. So here we have some features like allow reports, allow activities, track field history, allow in chatter group, allow search, and the most important one, launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. So let's save this. Okay, so this is not unique, so we must change this, write it like position 4. Hope this will be unique. Yeah, so absolutely fine. We are done with our tab. Now we just need to select our icon. As we are doing this for hiring purpose, so we can select this icon for positions. Now click on next. From here you have to control your visibility. If you don't want to control it, so for now you can just keep it for default. So you would like to include this tab in which app? So I'm selecting this only for recruiting app as it is not required in other. So I'm having here my recruiting app 1. This was my app. I already selected. Just save it. So okay, so it's saying that we are having a duplicate. So fine, we are done with this. Now we need to just check whether our app is okay or not. So here we are having confusion as 2 apps are there. So no issue, we can just select. We can check it by date. Otherwise we can just change name. So from here you can change name of the previous app. I'm changing the name of this app so that there will be no confusion. Yeah, so I'm changing it to previous. Okay. So we are done with this. Now we can check our app. So we are done with this. Now we can check our app. So let's check how is our app looking. So we will just go to this. And search here for recruiting app. Yeah. So this is a changed one and this is the new one that we created now. So here is the position tab that we created, position object, and this is our recruiting app with this icon. So thank you everyone, we are done for the day. In the next lecture we will learn new things. Thank you so much.